Alright, so we're about to check out these new projectors that I got. They're the NHK Plus. Specifically got these for the Fiat because the Fiat projector sucks. It has one bulb with a little flapper. It doesn't actually have multiple highs and lows separate. It's just one bulb, so they're not very good, and they're very cheap and poor quality design. So we're gonna do a retrofit to see if we can't get rid of that, because at night they suck. I have the GTR Ultra 2.0 bulbs, which are supposed to be one of the brightest on the market, and even though it's bright compared to a projector setup that has an individual low and high bulb, they are absolutely horrible. So all right, so we got it open. Check out the little fancy box. These haven't been out very long from my understanding. We'll have to use the Google Translate. Okay, so apparently it passed Chinese quality control, if anybody can read that. They give you these nifty little bags here. And what these are, it's the NHK IV Plus, which has two different LED chips inside, one for the low, one for the high. And watching the reviews, the actual light output and the line that it projects is a pure cut line. So that's why these got such high reviews from people. But they're hard to get your hands on. So looking at it right out of the box, thing is massive. The projector itself is freaking awesome. Just looking at it. And then inside here, there's some chips and everything to run the two different wattage LEDs. It's got its built-in heat sink. Thing is massive. A 3-inch port here, and I got some new shrouds for it that I'm gonna color match to the body, and I got LED halos that are going in. So we'll see how this thing turns out, but you're gonna have to stay tuned until I get the headlights apart, and then once I get the headlights apart, I'll go ahead and start working on this, because I'm going to color match everything to the body. I got the paint and everything already picked up, so what we got to do is get to work, and on the side we're building the engine still. So stay tuned. There's a lot more to come on the channel. Just make sure you like and subscribe so you can follow along. This journey actually has been really fun, so if you want to be part of it, hit that notification bell and follow us. Thank you.